The hubraum Mixed Reality Program has begun. Hubraum and Nreal have invited developers from all over the world to create best-in-class mixed reality solutions. We scouted 150 startups from across the globe, which resulted in 35 companies pitched and 14 selected, coming from 4 different continents. Packages with Nreal Glasses have already found their way into the hands of our program participants. They immediately began exploring them.
Hey, very good. Very cool.
Yeah, does it work with headwear?
I'm very happy with the look of that.
The brightness and fidelity are beautiful.
See, that display is projected there. That's
Okay.
pretty cool. Look, it's pretty clear actually. It's really good.
Okay, all right.
So we'd like to thank Deutsche Telekom and the Qualcomm team and Unity and the hubraum team and especially the Nreal team for giving us the opportunity to work with this new device.
We are very excited to co-create with incredible program partners and startups and are looking forward to the results of their work. We are convinced that this unique global program will deliver applications that will change the future of entertainment. Stay tuned.